Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you. Today, we're diving deep into the world of everyday carry for professionals. Whether you're heading into the office, working remotely, or constantly on the move, having the right tools by your side can make all the difference. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 amazing products that every professional should consider adding to their EDC lineup. From practical gadgets to stylish accessories, we've got a little something for everyone. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's jump in. First up is the Buffway Slim Minimalist Front Pocket Wallet, a sleek and functional wallet designed for today's professional. At just 3/1/8, 4/16 inch, and it's toxed 1/9 in thick. This wallet is perfect for anyone who hates the bulk of a traditional wallet. Despite its compact size, it's surprisingly spacious, offering 8 slots for your credit cards, IDs, and even cash. What sets this wallet apart is its advanced RFID blocking technology, which keeps your personal information safe from electronic pickpockets, a must-have feature in today's digital age. It's crafted from high-quality leather, making it durable and stylish. Available in multiple colors, this wallet is unisex and makes for an excellent gift option as well. If you value style, security, and simplicity, this is a fantastic choice to elevate your everyday carry. No professional toolkit is complete without a reliable pen, and the G2 Mini Premium Rolling Ball Gel Pens are a top-notch option. These pens feature a 0.7mm fine tip, delivering smooth, crisp lines that are perfect for writing meeting notes, signing documents, or even sketching out ideas. Their compact design ensures they fit easily in your pocket, briefcase, or planner. Plus, the quick-drying ink helps prevent smudging, keeping your work neat and professional. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort even during long writing sessions. Once you try these pens, they'll quickly become your go-to for all your writing needs. A professional outfit isn't complete without a statement watch, and the Golden Hour Fashion Businessmen's Watch is the perfect blend of style and functionality. Powered by a Japanese quartz movement, this watch ensures precision and reliability. The stainless steel strap is both durable and comfortable, making it versatile enough for boardroom meetings or casual weekend outings. The watch also features chronograph functionality, giving you a stopwatch, calendar, and running seconds, all in one. It's 3 ATM waterproof, so it can handle everyday splashes or light rain. If you're looking to impress while staying punctual, this watch is an absolute must-have. First impressions matter, and nothing says professional like a well-designed business card. The simple custom premium business cards are printed on thick 16 petite matte cardstock for a premium feel. You can choose between UV glossy or matte finishes and fully customize the front and back with your details. Whether you're networking at events or meeting clients, these cards ensure you'll leave a lasting impression. Fresh breath is essential for any professional, and the Icebreakers Coolmint sugar-free mints are here to save the day. Packed with cooling crystals, these mints deliver an instant burst of freshness that's perfect before meetings, presentations, or social gatherings. The compact tins are easy to carry in your pocket or bag, ensuring you're always prepared. Say goodbye to worrying about coffee or lunch breath. These mints have got you covered. For the writers, planners, and creatives, the BEECHMORE Books Line Journal Notebook is a game changer. Featuring 120 Graham ivory cream pages, it offers a smooth writing experience without ink bleed. The vegan leather cover adds a touch of elegance, while the lay-flat binding makes it practical for writing or sketching. Whether you're brainstorming, journaling, or taking meeting notes, this notebook is a must-have for professionals who value style and substance. Stay connected and entertained with the Soundcore P20i True Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds offer powerful bass and a personalized listening experience through the Soundcore app, which includes 22 EQ presets. With 10 hours of playtime on a single charge and up to 30 hours with the charging case, they're perfect for professionals on the move. Whether you're taking calls or listening to music, these earbuds combine convenience with top-notch sound quality. Hydration is key to productivity, and the Iron Dry Flask insulated water bottle ensures you're covered. Thanks to its double wall insulation, it keeps drinks cold for 24 hours or hot for 12 hours. It comes with 3 interchangeable lids, offering versatility for different activities. Durable, stylish, and functional, this water bottle is a must for busy professionals. never run out of power with the INIU portable charger. At just 10,000 milliamp hour, it's the thinnest power bank of its kind, capable of charging up to 3 devices simultaneously with 3A high-speed charging. The USB-C in-out port makes it future-proof, ensuring compatibility with modern devices. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for travel, meetings, or daily use. Stay connected no matter where you are. Finally, let's talk about a lifesaver for unexpected messes, the Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Spray. This powerful spray works quickly to remove stains from clothes, carpets, and more. Made with safer chemicals, it's environmentally friendly and easy to use. From coffee spills to food stains, this spray handles it all, keeping you looking sharp throughout the day. And there you have it. 10 incredible everyday carry products tailored for professionals. Each of these items combines functionality, style, and practicality to help you stay organized and prepared. Which product caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay professional and take care.